Welcome to Review Rumble. The best snow scoop is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone living in a snowy climate, offering a simple yet effective way to clear pathways and driveways, making winter chores significantly less daunting and more manageable, especially when compared to traditional shovels that can be cumbersome and physically demanding, thus ensuring you can maintain access and safety during the harshest winter conditions with ease and efficiency. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ SHLV01 Shovelution Snow Shovel. Introducing the Snow Joe Shovelution, your ultimate partner for winter cleanups. It's designed to make snow removal less of a chore. Its impact-resistant blade is built tough to handle even the most challenging winter conditions. You can rely on its durability season after season. Experience superior comfort with its ergonomic D-ring handle. It promotes better posture and reduces the need to bend, minimizing strain on your body. The innovative spring-assisted handle provides enhanced leverage. This allows you to lift and move snow more efficiently with significantly less effort. This tool is engineered for your convenience, durability, and ease of use. It simplifies heavy lifting and challenging tasks during the winter season. Despite its heavy-duty capabilities, it remains surprisingly lightweight. This makes maneuvering and clearing snow a breeze. What we like. This one features a spring-assisted design for enhanced leverage. If you're looking for a tool that reduces strain on your back and arms, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who need to move heavier loads with less effort. What people say. This snow scoop is lightweight and easy to use, making snow removal a breeze. The wide scoop design allows for efficient clearing of large areas, saving time and effort. Durable construction ensures this snow scoop will last for many seasons to come. Number 4. 34 Folding Emergency Snow Shovel, Red. Stay prepared for winter with this compact snow shovel. It's an essential tool for car travel, snow camping, or any backcountry trip, ensuring you can navigate emergencies with ease. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this shovel is both lightweight and incredibly tough. It's designed to handle rough conditions, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. Featuring a clever foldable design, it stores and transports with ease. It fits perfectly in your car, ATV, or backpack, always ready without taking up valuable space. This tool isn't just for snow, it effortlessly handles sand, mud, or dirt too. It's your go-to for any adventure, adapting to a wide range of outdoor challenges year-round. Weighing just 2 pounds, it's incredibly easy to store and carry. Its portable dimensions make it perfect for any vehicle or gear bag, ensuring you're always ready for the unexpected. What we like. This is a folding emergency shovel designed for portability and convenience. If you need a reliable tool for your car, ATV, or backpack for unexpected winter situations, this is the one. It's perfect for travelers and outdoor adventurers who value preparedness. What people say. This snow scoop is lightweight and easy to use. The wide blade makes it easy to scoop large amounts of snow. It's durable and has held up well through multiple snowstorms. Number 3. Nostalgia Snow Pro Electric Snow Cone Machine. Create delicious, fluffy snow cones in moments with this easy-to-use machine. It shaves ice perfectly for large family servings, ensuring smooth, consistent results every time for quick, ice-cold treats. Make snow cones a fun and safe activity for everyone. Its simple push handle makes it easy for kids to create their own treats, and the included cones and trays make serving a breeze. Enjoy delicious snow cones without sacrificing counter space. This compact machine is easy to store with built-in cord management, offering maximum function without taking up too much room. Spend more time enjoying your treats and less time cleaning. The removable parts make rinsing and cleaning simple, allowing for quick disassembly and hassle-free maintenance. Elevate any event with this fun slushy maker. It's ideal for parties, BBQs, or family nights, ensuring everyone gets a cool, refreshing, and customizable treat. What we like. This is an electric snow cone machine for making fun treats. If you're looking for a way to entertain kids or create refreshing desserts for parties, this is ideal. It's perfect for families and hosts who want an easy and fun way to make snow cones. What people say. This snow scoop is lightweight and easy to use, making snow removal a breeze. The wide scoop design effectively clears large areas of snow quickly. Durable construction ensures this snow scoop will last for many seasons. Number 2. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing a complete snow clearing kit designed for your convenience. It includes everything you need to tackle winter's worst, all in one package. Experience powerful performance with its robust motor, capable of moving a significant amount of snow with each charge. It ensures fast and efficient clearing of your driveways and walkways. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Effortlessly clear snow from various surfaces without the hassle of cords, providing maximum maneuverability. This tool cuts a wide path through the snow in a single pass. It allows for quick and thorough removal, even from deeper snow accumulations, with minimal effort. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it delivers ample runtime for uninterrupted snow clearing. Enjoy quiet and efficient operation throughout your task. What we like. This is a cordless electric snow shovel kit for powerful clearing. If you need to clear snow from your driveway or walkway quickly and efficiently without the hassle of cords, this is your best bet. It's perfect for homeowners who want a convenient and powerful solution. What people say. This snow scoop is lightweight and easy to use, making snow removal a breeze. The wide scoop design effectively clears large areas of snow quickly. Durable construction ensures this snow scoop will last for many seasons. Number 1. VNIMTI Aluminum D-Handle Snow Shovel. Winter snow removal can be a challenge, especially with thick or frozen snow. This ergonomic metal shovel is designed with a durable aluminum alloy head and a high-strength fiberglass handle, ensuring it can handle tough conditions without being heavy. Its large shovel head, measuring 19 inches by 14 inches, allows you to move more material with each scoop. This means fewer trips and less bending, saving you time and effort. This isn't just for snow. Its versatility extends to gardening and other tasks, making it useful for moving grain, leaves, mulch, coal, gravel, and more throughout the year. Despite its robust construction and 45-inch length, it weighs only 3.7 pounds, making it incredibly lightweight. The wide, D-shaped handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing hand fatigue during extended use. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out for a prompt and professional response. What we like. This is a heavy-duty aluminum shovel with a high-capacity head. If you need a robust tool for tough snow removal or even gardening and other tasks, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who need a durable, versatile shovel for various jobs. What people say. This snow scoop is lightweight and easy to use. The wide blade makes it easy to clear large areas of snow quickly. Durable construction ensures it will last for many winters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.